Okay, this is a video on how to clean toilets. You first start with a bucket, put some Heinz cleaner in. Just kind of like, that's a good amount. Let's see how that looks like. Yeah, that's good enough. Next, fill the bucket probably a third the way up with hot water. And find yourself a pair of nifty gloves, matching optional. And we're in a toilet area. First thing to do is remove everything that's on the toilet so that we have a clean toilet to clean. What I do start with the handle and the top. The top is mostly just a floor dusting. Then get the back of it. And rinse. Then go over the top. Open it up. Do the back of the top, or underside of the top. And the seat itself. Rinse. Lift it up, underside of the seat. Now, this part itself, oops, all the way around, the inside and the outside. Nice and clean. Oh, look at that. Okay, next is for the inside of the bowl. I'm going to use this thing over here. I'm not sure what they're called, but they look pretty good. Take the wand, push it into the hole. Voila! Got our wand. What I usually do is get a little bit wet and then start going around it. Up here, and then I get some down here and around. All the way around. And it's done. I just let it drip dry, and then you throw it away by pushing this little button here. Like that.